we'll guide you through how to enable Gmail read receipts. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Gmail account on your desktop. You need to be logged in with a Google Workspace account because read receipts are not available for personal Gmail accounts. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu, then select See All Settings. Now, move to the Advanced tab. Here, you should look for the Read Receipts option. If you don't see it, your organization administrator may need to enable it for your account, so you might want to touch base with them. If it's available, click Enable next to it and then scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, head back to your inbox. When you're composing a new email, you can request a read receipt by clicking on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Select Request Read Receipt from the drop-down menu. When the recipient opens your email, you'll receive a notification confirming that your message has been read. Keep in mind that the recipient has the choice to decline sending the read receipt, and some email clients may not support this feature, so it's not guaranteed to work every time. This feature can be really useful for ensuring important emails are acknowledged, especially in professional settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.